Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you transfer data from Android to another Android. So basically, Android have Share Me app that can share any data from Android to another Android. Just go to this Share Me app. After going to this app, here you can see two options here: send and receive. If you want to send something, just click on send, and if you want to receive something, just click on receive. I'm just clicking on the send button. You can send anything like you want, just like photos, videos, files, apps, songs. I'm just sharing a photo. After selecting the photo, just click on the bottom send button. After that, you need to turn on your location and your Bluetooth. After turning on these two things, you need to scan the QR code of the other device. Just click on the bottom next button. After scanning, here you can see the file is already transferred. So guys, this is how can you transfer data from Android to another Android. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.